Dear students, very good morning. Today we are going to discuss our sixth problem in partial derivative. So this problem is very important. In this problem, we will not given what is z, but we want to find dou z by dou x also. So that is an important concept. So in this problem we are going to prove some statement. The statement will be given in the problem. So the question here is, if I shall type the question here. If z is a function, x and y. If z is a function of x and y, and u and v are the other two functions, other two variables, other two variables such that u equal to lx plus my, lx plus my, then and comma v equal to ly minus mx, then so that dou square z by dou square z divided by dou x square plus dou square z divided by dou y square, that is equal to l square plus m square, plus m square into dou square z divided by dou x square plus dou square z divided by dou y square, dou square z divided by dou square, here it is dou square z by dou u square and dou v square, dou square z by dou u square, here it is dou v square. So we have to prove that dou square z by dou x square plus dou square z by dou y square equal to l square plus m square of dou square z by dou y square plus dou square z by dou v square. So here first we have to take what is u. So u equal to lx lx plus my and v equal to ly minus mx. Okay, so we can before this, so we can find dou u divided by dou x, dou u by dou x, that is equal to L. Here dou v divided by dou x equal to minus m and dou u by dou y, dou u by dou y equal to m, and here dou v by dou v divided by dou y, dou v by dou y equal to L. Okay, we have done everything that is necessary. So but now we have to find a formula. See what is given, z is a function of x and y. Okay, instead of u we are having z, so z is the function of x and y. Okay, z is the function of x and y, and then u and v are other two variables such that u is the function of x and y, v is the function of x and y, because u equal to lx plus my and v is equal to ly minus mx. So u and v are also functions of x and y. Okay, so which means z is not okay. We have to find directly here we have to put u and v. Here we have to put u and v. Why? Because I shall tell you later. See, z is a function of x and y. They have given, but they have not given z, but they have given u and v. So z is the function of u and v, and these u and v are the functions of x and y. These u and v are the functions of x and y. So these diagrams are very important while we want to derive formulas. These diagrams are very important. So here z is a function of two variables. Ultimately z is a function of, see, z is a function of x and y. Ultimately z is a function of x and y, but initially z is the function of u and v. Then only we can make use of this u and v. So u is the function of x and u is the function of y. Also v is the function of x, also v is the function of y. So this is composite function of two variables. So since z is function of two variables u and v, we cannot use ordinary derivative, so we go for a partial derivative. Dou z divided by dou z divided by dou u. Here it is dou z divided by dou z divided by dou v. Here it is dou u by dou x. Here it is dou v by dou x, dou v by dou x. Here it is okay, here it is dou u by dou y, dou u by dou y. Here it is dou v by dou y. Here it is dou v divided by dou v divided by dou y, dou z by dou u and dou z by dou v. This is dou u by dou x, this is dou v by dou x, this is dou u by dou y, and this is dou v by dou y. Now from z, okay, now from z we can reach x, and from z we can reach y. So we are having two formulas. We are having two formulas. That is what I am going to write here. The formula 1 is dou z divided by dou x. Okay, dou z by dou x. And the formula number 2 is dou z divided by dou y. Okay, dou z by dou x. The second thing is dou z by dou y. So to reach x from z we are having two steps: dou z by dou y into dou u by dou x plus dou z by dou v into dou v by dou x. So we are writing here dou z divided by dou u, dou z by dou u into dou z by dou u into dou u by dou x plus dou z by dou v into dou v by dou x, Here dou z by dou y equal to, so from z how to reach y, that is dou z by dou y into dou u by dou y. Okay, dou z divided by dou z divided by dou u into dou u divided by dou y, dou z by dou u into dou u by dou y plus dou z divided by dou v into dou v divided by dou y. Okay, now here we are having z, okay, also here also we are having z, but we do not know what is the value of z. So we can make use of dou u by dou x, dou v by dou x, dou u by dou y and dou v by dou y, but we are not able to find the value of dou z by dou u, dou z by dou v directly. So here the value is given by see dou z by dou x equal to dou z divided by dou u, dou z divided by dou u into what is the value of dou u by dou x? It is L plus dou z by dou v, dou z divided by dou v into what's value of dou v by dou x? It is minus m. It is minus m. Therefore we have dou z by dou x equal to dou z divided by dou x equal to L into dou z divided by dou u minus m into dou z divided by dou v. Now here dou z by dou y. So dou z divided by dou y equal to dou z by dou y equal to dou z by dou u. It is not possible to write, so dou z divided by dou u can be taken as it is into dou z by dou u into dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou y is m. Dou u by dou y is m plus what is dou v by dou y? See, dou u by dou y is m and dou v by dou y is L. Okay, here you have used dou u by dx and you have used dou v by dou x, and here you are using dou u by dou y, and here we are using dou v by dou y. So dou z by dou v, dou z by dou v into dou v by dou y is L. So that is dou z by dou y equal to dou z divided by dou y equal to dou z by dou y equal to m dou z divided by dou u minus L into dou z divided by dou v, L into dou z divided by dou v. So if I am not considering this z, what will happen? I can write dou by dou x equal to, so without considering z, so that is equal to L into dou by, this is L, L into dou by dou u then minus m into dou divided by dou v. Here if I am not considering this z, here it will happen dou divided by dou y, that is equal to m into dou divided by dou u minus l divided by dou divided by dou v. Okay, now we want to find dou square z by dou x square plus dou square z by dou y square. So now I'm going to do the find the value of second order partial derivative of z with respect to x, that is dou square z divided by dou x square equal to, it is nothing but dou divided by dou x of dou by dou x of dou z by dou x. That's why I have found these two, dou z by dou x. Okay, dou z by dou x plus here in this I am going to find dou square z divided by dou y square, dou square z divided by dou y square, that is equal to dou divided by dou y of dou z divided by dou y, dou z divided by dou y. Okay, so now I am going to multiply these two. Okay, now here we are having this is equal to this term, okay, this term into this term, okay, term into this term. Okay, this term into this term. Here it is equal to, here it is, okay. Now first I shall draw the line. Okay, so now I am considering this dou by dou y, the term dou by dou y. Okay, this is this, and after that I am going to take dou z by dou y. This is okay, plus into this. answer. Everything is okay. Now I am going to, after I have pasted the values, now we are going to multiply these values. Now we are going to multiply these values. Okay, so on multiplying we get L square. Okay, L square dou square z divided by dou u square, then minus L m of dou square Ez divided by dou u dou v. Okay, then minus L m. Okay, minus L m of dou square Ez divided by dou v dou u. Okay, dou v dou u plus m square dou square Ez divided by dou v square. Okay, here I am copying this value because we will get similar type of value here in the right for dou square z by dou y square. So I am copying this and I am going to paste this. Okay, I am pasting it here. Now I am taking eraser. So first term it will be m square dou square z by dou u square. It is Lm of L into m of dou square z by dou u dou v, and this is Lm of dou square z by dou v dou u, and this is L square, and this is L square. Okay, so first term is here it is m square, here it is m square, and here it is L square. So there is no more difference between these two. Now I am going to add these two. So this is our dou square z divided by dou x square. Okay, and this is our dou square Ez divided by dou y square. Dou square z divided by dou x square. This is dou square z by dou y square. Now we are having the next step, that is we are going to add these two. So dou square Ez divided by dou x square plus dou square Ez divided by okay. Now now I shall paste the things. I shall paste these things below the term, this Ctrl plus C, and I shall paste it here. I shall paste it here. Okay, now we get, okay, now we get the remaining answer, the remaining steps. So I choose red color. Here minus lm dou square z by dou u dou v, then minus, okay, then minus so we are having minus lm. So now everything is minus, which means we have done some mistake. So we have to check that. It is m square, it is l square. We are not having, okay, just a minute. So we have done some mistakes. We have to check that. So dou u by dou y is plus m, and dou v by v equal to, what is the value of v equal to ly minus mx. So dou v by dou y equal to L. So here the formula is not minus, the formula is plus. Since here the formula is plus, okay, since the formula is plus here, we can now get 0. Since formula is plus here, we can get okay, we can get everything as plus. So here also it is plus, and so the terms, and so all the terms will be plus here, so that is we have to be very careful. So whenever we do a problem, mistakes are common for all, so we have to understand where we have done mistake. Okay, we have to know where we have done the mistake. So in the denominator, all the terms are plus. So how I found this mistake? Because I have to cancel these two terms, because in the result we have only L square plus M square terms, not LM terms. So that is the basic knowledge that we should have. Okay, so committing mistakes is not a crime. Okay, not a crime, but we have to rectify the mistakes when we came to know. So here this term and this term will get cancelled, and this term and this term will get cancelled, and so we get the result dou square z by, okay, dou square z by dou x square plus dou square z by dou y square equal to L square of dou square z by dou u square plus L square of dou square z by dou v square plus m square of dou square z by dou v square. Okay, I shall copy everything and I shall write. Okay, here first term, okay, Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus V, plus, and second term is this. Okay, Then third term is, just a minute, okay, the third term is this, then fourth term is this. Fourth term is this. Okay, now this is our fourth term. So now we have to add these four terms. Now we have to add these four terms. Okay, now we have to add these four terms. So on adding, okay, now we have to add these four terms. So we can take dou square z by, we can write, we can take dou square z divided by dou u square as common, and we can write L square plus m square, L square plus m square. Okay, L square plus m square, and after that we can take dou square z by dou v square as common. We can take dou square z divided by dou v square as common term, and we will get L square plus m square. Okay, so we get L square plus m square, L square plus m square. Okay, now since we are having L square plus m square as common in the above step, we can simply write L square plus m square of L square plus m square of, okay, L square plus m square of dou square z by dou u square, dou square z divided by dou u square plus dou square z divided by dou v square. So this is our dou square z by, okay, dou square z by dou x square this is our final result. This is our final result. Okay, this is our final result, and hence the result, in the question, the statement in the question asked is now proved. Okay, so I hope you all understood the problem. See, the result dou square z by dou u square plus dou square z by dou v square of L square plus m square. Dou square z by dou u square plus dou square z by dou v square. So the result is proved. So this is the case how we want to prove any problem given under total derivatives. So initially I have shown how to get the formula for any statement. Already I have explained the 5 important formulas of total derivatives. So this is one of the formulas. So instead of z, there we will have there itself we will have f. Okay, there we will have f or z. Okay, so nothing is wrong with z or f, but we have to know how to get the formula if we are not able to memorize. Okay, and here we have to be very careful, because here in the formula we are having plus only, but I have put minus here. That is a mistake. But while proving the problem, when I am coming to the final step, I have found that I have made some mistake and I have rectified it. So committing mistake is not a crime, but we have to rectify the mistakes in order to get the correct result, and we have to deduct the mistakes spontaneously. Okay, so that is very important. I hope you all enjoyed this video and understood the problem. So let us meet in upcoming class. Thank you all for watching this video. Thank you all once again.